Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. Today I'm pleased to offer this 2015 65 plate Volvo S60 SE 2 litre petrol. Having had 2 owners from new and covered 44,000 miles, the vehicle comes with full service history and features including heated front seats and cruise control. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you for watching.